Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to order assembled PCB from JLCPCB. So what we are gonna need, will need the Gerber files, boom file and CPL pick and place file. Alright, now what we need to do next, go to the JLCPCB quote page. So get instant quote right here. Alright, like that. Now, first thing what we are going to do is import our Gerber files like that. We need a zip file, so like that. Okay. Now here we can select whatever we prefer, so we can change stuff and so on. I will change here shipping to this one. Now what we are going to do next, when this board provides loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page and turn the PCB assembly to toggle on, this switch right here. Okay, right here, select your preferred manufacturing parameters, and so right here you have assembly side, top side, bottom side, both sides, however you prefer. Then PCBA quantity and then tooling holes we have. And when you are happy with that, just click next right over here. All right. Now, on the next screen right here, click at the boom file. So we have it here under the bill of materials. So we go here to bill of materials. And now we here at boom file for us. So it's this one. And then we add CPL file, which I have it right over here. Okay, open up just like that. Now process boom and CPL file. This will display a table showing how it mapped your parts to their warehouse inventory. Green status indicates a perfect match. Then we have if a part is missing. You can then search to manually find the alternative part from their basic or extended component library. And yeah, when you find it and everything looks okay, you will click next. Like that. We go further. Right here, you will see component placement. And after that, you will get the quote and order. And this is pretty much it, how to order assembled PCB from JLCB PCB. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.